Don't sign that contract until you do this. I want you to look in the contract in the provision probably called term and see if it has an auto-renewal provision. An auto-renewal provision means that even though the first term of the contract expires, it automatically renews without you saying you want to renew. So you may or may not be able to negotiate that out, and you may or may not want to. That's not the focus of this video. What I do want you to do is to see if there is one, and if there is an auto renewal clause, I want you to calendar 2 dates. First, I want you to mark your calendar for the date that is the last date you're allowed to give notice that you don't want to renew. So a lot of times the contract will say it automatically renews unless the other party gives 30-day written notice that they do not want to renew. So in that case, you would mark your calendar for 30 days prior to the end of the contract term. Now there's another calendar date I want you to mark, and that is 30 days even before that, before the last day you can give notice. I want you to have at least 30 days for you to decide whether or not you want to renew the contract or let it expire. If you don't follow this advice and you forget to give notice that you don't want to renew the contract, you could end up paying for goods or services that you don't want for a year or longer.